Good day everybody, welcome to another video. Today is a tutorial on how to make this knot. We're going to use a 3D curve called control point curve to make this knot. It's a curve that's sort of intersecting on itself. Sometimes you can't do it, but with this tool you can do this curve today. Alright, so let's make a start. We'll make a new document. Alright, so we'll go ahead and hide these planes. So we're gonna use this tool, control point curve. So if it's not there, you click on add custom feature, type in control point curve. Alright, once we're in, it looks like this. It starts at the origin. We're gonna use a degree curve of 4. It looks more smooth. Alright. Okay, so how you use it is you can add points by clicking here. And it makes a point on itself, so you go drag it across. Alright, so there's actually a pink line. Alright, so you need to add more points. Go add. Alright, and you just need to draw your string. Alright, we'll add another point here. Alright, so when the line intersects itself, it just says here the curve could not be regenerated properly, so the geometry intersects itself. So if you turn the view and if you drag it in the Y direction, it comes back. So this control point curve, you can control the curve in 3D. Right, so we can keep going. And then we'll create our last point. Alright, there you go. So now you just need to go in and control how it looks. Alright, that's it. That's all you do, nice and easy. And then I'll do a sweep along curve. Right, let's make sure we the string goes into the knot here. Alright, let's just leave there for now, and I'm gonna go turn on the plane, draw a sketch, switch to normal and put a circle. Let's make it two points. Alright, so we go to sweep, select the face, select the path, and bam, we are good. Alright, so it's intersecting itself. We can go in and edit the curve. If we turn on final, we can see what it looks like when we're changing it. So this is nice and quick and easy. Alright, there you go. Accept, let's add a color. Alright, color here. And we go orange. Alright, there you go. I hope you like it. That's it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.